Before we begin, I just wanted to say the following. My equipment and room acoustics will be different to yours, so the sound might slightly differ. And sound is a subjective and personal experience. That out of the way, let us begin. Hi, Concord here. So recently I posted that I'd set back up my second turntable with the Rega MK5, and someone asked me how does it compare to the Project Audio TubeBox. Well, here's my quick comparison, and I'm only going to talk about the sound. Now, both preamps, when connected, were connected to a Macintosh Preamp Power and B&W 800 series, and via a Project Audio turntable with an Autophon M2 Blue stylus. Same album, same song when listening. Note, the TubeBox isn't using the stock tubes, so I am using different tubes. Now, the comparison. Here goes the Rega MK5 very quickly. The Rega had a bigger soundstage and had more detail and overall more musical. The TubeBox, what you'd expect from tubes, quite a softer sound, good mid-range, and overall quite a soft, liquid smooth sound. Both Phono preamps brought out different details in the music, but look, they both have a softer tone, but the Rega, to me, on my setup, definitely had it over the TubeBox. Now, I just want to say I own and purchased both of these Phono preamps, and I like both. But to me, what I prefer, the Rega MK5 stands out. And I do suggest if you're looking at a Phono preamp, go have a listen. If you like a really softer sound and you like those tubes, go the Project Audio. The Rega, to me, it's still a softer sound, it's solid state, but definitely on my setup, it stood out and was more musical, and I love the detail that it brings out. So there you go, that's my comparison. I'm hoping soon to release another podcast and for my next video to show you how I'm going to hook up Dolby Atmos and how I'm going to run my home theater. But until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.